Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear Candy Crush Saga cache. So let's get started. Begin by opening your settings on your phone. In the search icon, tap on Apps and perform a search. Tap on Apps. Then tap on Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Candy Crush Saga and perform your search. Tap on it. Now tap on Clear Data option, which is at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Clear Cache option. And if you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear Candy Crush Saga cache. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.